Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find a help center on AliExpress. So if for whatever reason you need to contact the help center, then you just need to go ahead and click your account on the lower right hand side, and here towards the bottom you'll find help center. You can tap on that and you have a ton of different things going on right here. So you have service records showing up, you have popular solutions that you can go through. You also can get help with items as well. You can click on view all and view all of your items, and below that you have some frequently asked questions that you can actually go through as well and click on. You also have the section to get online service, so you can click on that as well, that red button there at the bottom to get online service, right? So let's say if it's related to a product, you can click on a product there or item there, and once you open up that, you will see where you can start to fill in details or choose some options. It says you may have the following concern, and you can choose one of those. And as you can see, if it's about refund issues, you can tap on that. It's going to continue to allow you to fill out certain questions or select certain questions, or and so that they can better know what's the problem that you're currently facing. So that's how you can easily go ahead and access the help center on AliExpress.